Alice and Bob each created one problem for HackerRank. Reviewer rates the two challenges, awarding the points on a scale from 1 to 100 for three categories: originality, and difficulty. Okay. Rating for Alice challenge is the triplet, like A of 0, A of 1, and A of 2. The rating for Bob's challenge is triplet B equal to B minus B of 0, B of 1, B of 2. Okay. Alice and Bob, like that, they have told. The task is to find their comparison, the points by comparing A of 0 with B of 0. Okay. So A of 1 and with B of 1, A of 2 with the B of 2. Okay, if A of 1 is greater than B of 1, Alice is rewarded by 1 point. Okay, if A of 1 is less than B of 1, then Bob is rewarded by 1 point. Okay, A of I equal to B of I, then neither will receive the point. Okay, if it is the equal points,